2026. Soon I got a call from a damsel in distress, an older woman, but her AC's not working. She ran it for 4 hours yesterday and it wouldn't cool, so she shut it off. She said she better call somebody, so she called me and she said it's an older system. So we'll go by there, see if we can find out what's ailing the thing. Maybe it's something simple, you know, a burnt wire or a capacitor or something like that. Because hopefully it didn't blow its load, blow all the refrigerant out. You know, and if that's the case, an older system is, you know, not worth fixing. Let's go by and see if we can figure out what's going on with it for her. Another damsel in distress. Alright. The fan's definitely working. I can hear it. Let me just check the filter, make sure that's okay. Before I check the unit outside. How do I get to it? You got lights down here?
No, you're going the wrong way. This way.
Have you changed the air filter?
I have someone that changes it for me.
Okay, so you have changed the filter.
It's been changed, yeah.
Alright, so it is running, the filter's been changed.
You can check it if you want.
You said you got the guy changing it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's over here. Okay, we'll check it outside.
Okay.
There is a switch there on that. We'll see what's going on with it outside. Sounds like the compressor's running.
What's that?
I'm gonna have to put my gauges on it and see what it's doing. What do we got there? Let me see what it's doing.
I'll tell you one thing it's not doing, and that's cooling.
Yeah. Yeah, I don't think so, huh?
Oh, damn.
One thing it's not doing is cooling.
That's for damn sure. Finding anything?
Yeah, I gotta get my gauges on there first and then I'll start it, okay?
Okay.
Alright, so I got pressure to it. Let's start it up, see what it's doing. I'm gonna put these little flipping hoses on there so I can... Don't look like the compressor's starting. No, it actually started. This is R22, I bet you. Yeah, R22. It's gonna be low on gas.
Probably low on refrigerant.
Yeah, but have you put it in before?
I've had it put in. I've not done it, but it's been put in.
Yeah, I gotta put some gas in, it's low.
Okay. That might be a good reason it's not working, right?
37, she's definitely low. We'll give it a little how you doing, Mama. We'll give it a little gas. 22. We're giving it a little juice, Mama. Some liquid gold. Giving it some juice. Oh, 22. Definitely coming out. It's definitely warming up. It was low on Freon. You had it filled before?
Oh, God, yeah.
How many times?
A couple of years ago.
Every couple of years.
Yeah. I know it was done because I called the guy that had done it.
Alright, subcooling's at 9.
He's out of service.
Soup heat's at 22. Our suction's at 64. That's not bad for 22. Let that run for a bit. That's not looking bad. Can't be without air conditioning now. Coil don't look dirty. Yeah, that's all looking good there now. 64 on the suction, 22 on the superheat, subcooling's a 9. That's good. No big deal. Yeah. Thank you, God, huh? That's it, looking good right there. I put some nice JB caps on there in case some trader cores are leaking. Oh, I should get a leak somewhere. It's 27 years old. It's got a rud downstairs. It's got a rud unit downstairs. Train. This is a train unit. Needed a little juice.